Good day everyone, my name is Rajesh Chauhan. In this video we will discuss on, are you learning this but you have question? Sir, I am belong from village, can I learn English or not? Can I speak English? Can I become fluent in English or not? Do you have this question? In this video I will solve your question. Okay, so my dear friends, first of all we have to think what is English. English is a language, anybody can speak English. Only we want to excitement. We have to say, until I learn English, I will not give up. Because when the village people can speak English, when the housewife can speak English, so how can we not speak English? First all, we should change our thought. First all, we have to change our thinking. We have to say English is a language, anybody can speak English. When first all, my dear friends, I am telling you, when I can speak English, when I can become fluent in English, so how can you not become fluent in English? First of all, before learning English, you will have to change your thought and thinking, that you are thinking English is a difficult, so I can't learn English. So my dear friends, there is not difficult in this world, but we think. First of all, before learning, before whatever we will do, we should change our thinking and thought. And we have to say, until I learn, until I get, I will not give up. Then definitely we will learn. No one can stop us. So first of all, before learning English, we have to know what is our purpose, what is our motive to learn English. Then definitely we will learn English. And we have to say, until I learn English, I will not give up, because English is a language. If we have to get our desire, if we have to fulfillment our desire, dream, then until I learn English, I will not give up. My dear friends, you have to say like this, then definitely you will learn English. No one can stop you. You should not think that first time I will speak wrong, then people will make fun of me, and what should I do? It doesn't matter. We have to think we are beginner. Yes, first time whatever we do, we will do many mistake, but we have to learn from mistake. Yes, my dear friends, we have to learn from mistake. First time we will mistake, second time we will mistake, but third time we can improve our mistake. Yes, if you want to learn English, then you should not making excuses that I have to learn English, but today I don't have time, I will start my journey from tomorrow. We should not forget tomorrow never come. Yes, if you want to learn English, if you want to achieve in your life, then you should start our journey. We should not wait that the time will come, after that I will start my journey. It doesn't matter. If we have to achieve something in our life, then we have to start our journey from today. And we have to say, until I fulfillment my desire, I will not give up. Then definitely we will learn. No one can stop us. So first of all, we should not think that I will make mistake. My dear friends, mistake is a part of our life, but we have to learn from mistake. Yes, and we should not say that it is difficult for me, but whatever we want to get, but if we have to achieve something in our life, then we should stop making excuses, but we have to say, at any cost I will get. When the other people can do this, so how can I not do this? I will learn English, no one can stop me. Then definitely we will learn English, no one can stop us. So my dear friends, I am first of all, when you are starting your journey, then you should think English is a language, and you have to learn vocab to vocab. How can you learn? You have to learn vocab to vocab. What is this? It means that suppose that purpose, aim, motive, like this you have to learn. आपके पास एक सेंटेंस, उससे आपको कई सेंटेंस बनाने की कोशिश करना है, उसी के पर्यायवाची. ओके, then definitely after that you will feel. So my dear friends, you have to learn with yourself. You can practice with yourself, and you can practice with yourself, then definitely you will become fluent in English. And now people are making fun of you. After some time they will glad on you. They will say, my brother, and on that day I was wrong, you are right, so I'm sorry. So I want to tell you, it's a time to learn English. It's a time to achieve something in our life. It's not time to waste. Yes, when we will waste the time, then time will destroy us. But when we will use right, then definitely we can become perfect our life. Yes, my dear friends. So we should stop wasting time, but we should start right use. Yes, then definitely after that you should not think that first time I will speak, then what will people say. It is doesn't matter, because we have to learn. Yes, my dear friends, if we have to achieve something in our life, then whatever we will have to face, then we have to become ready. Yes, we have to say, I'm ready to I'm ready to face many problem, many trouble, but I'm not ready to give up. Yes, because now people make fun of us and they will say, what are you doing, what are you speaking, but no, they are not understanding. But when we will get our goal, when we will get our motive, then they will say, yes, you are right. So my dear friends, I want to tell you, we should not see to people, but we have to see our goal, aim, motive. And if we have to get our motive and aim, then I am ready to face many problems. No one can stop me. Yes, who will stop me? No one can stop me. I will learn English. After that, I will achieve my goal. Yes, so I hope you will keep practicing, and after some time, so my dear friends, you should not think that when my English will improve. You know, don't think. But when we will learn the regular, then definitely after some time we think someday we will feel that my English is improving. So I hope you will practice regular, and after that you will become fluent in English. So I hope you will practice per day and you will achieve your goal. So my dear friends, I think you are happy. And now I know I want to tell you that at this time I'm in the village, and you can see there are many green tree. Yes, there are many green tree behind of me, and you can see at this time I'm in the village, and you can see this is my farm. You can see this is my cotton harvest, and you can see there is mango tree behind of me. And at this time I'm in the village, and at this time I'm in village, but I'm not escaping, but I'm learning English. I'm practicing, because I have confidence that one day I will speak English fluently and confidently. Yes. So my dear friends, if you want to speak like me, if you want to become fluently in English, then you should start practicing. And first time we will feel it is difficult, but when we will do regular, when we will learn regular, then after some time we will notice it is easy. So I hope you will practice. We should practice as much as possible. We should not give up. We should not skip, but we have to learn. Okay. So my dear friends, if you want to visit my village, then definitely you can come. Yes, because first of all, I want to tell you that village life is very better and very natural. So my dear friends, do you have village? Then you are lucky. Yes. So I hope, and you will improve your communication skill, you will improve your English language, and after that you will speak fluently and confidently. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet next session. So thank you so much.